how to install Grammarly on MS Word. So first, go to your Google Chrome and then search for Grammarly. Next is just click on Grammarly here. Now once you've opened Grammarly website, you just need to sign up or log in with your account. So I'll just log in using my Google account. Okay, now let's wait for it to load. From here, just need to click on apps and then click on install here under Grammarly for Windows. So since I've just uninstalled my Grammarly, I just need to click on reinstall here. Okay, now just open up the exe file. Just wait for it to load. Okay. Okay, now it's done. So you just need to continue to Grammarly, connect your account, and then open Grammarly. Okay, click on next. Okay, from here, as you can see here, once I've downloaded the Grammarly app, you just need to go to Windows just to check if Grammarly is functioning properly. As you can see, there's the Grammarly widget here. So if I click on this one, instead of typing hype, I type hi. So as you can see, Grammarly is working properly here. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.